What is up, guys? Austin Dill with my first ever video, and I know this is a gaming channel and you all might be asking why I'm doing this, but today I'm going to show you the redneck way of getting rid of a microwave. This microwave is no longer reusable, so I'm not really wasting the microwave. I'm just using it for a good purpose and entertainment. As you guys can tell, I might actually have to face it this way. Just set it. Okay, guys, I'm setting it down. Hopefully it captures this. This is the redneck way of getting rid of a microwave. We think the same, Mr. Microwave. Okay, time for execution. As you can tell, guys, it hasn't really busted it. But it will soon enough. This microwave is strong. Alright, guys. Let me know if y'all want me to do this. Do anything else that we don't use. This microwave has met its match. It cooks some really good stuff. I'm not done with it yet, though. In this microwave, but it has some woes. Microwave, you done! You're done, microwave! You're ridiculous! Now just die! God damn it. Woo! This microwave. This microwave. Woo! But ooh, this microwave's strong. Alright, guys. As you can tell, the microwave is officially dead. As you can tell, microwave ain't doing so good. It's got some dents. The inside of it's all messed up. I did some pretty bad damage to it. Woo! There's a hole in the bottom. Then we flip it over to this side. And as you can tell, the door is only on one hinge. Just speculates I hit it pretty damn hard, as you can tell. And oh, we still got this. Do you guys want to see a fly frisbee? Okay, guys. I'm about to show you the frisbee. Middle glass. Glass microwave. Sorry guys, I just ate. I'm poaching. Alright, glass microwave. Let me get my other hand. As you can tell. Glass microwave. Ready? Ha! Wait, is it busted? No. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and comment. And comment on what else you want me to do. As you can tell, the microwave is officially dead. The dials ain't even gonna work now. Fortunately, it was dead already, so really wasn't much to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this version of my redneck destruction. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This has been the Gaming Pickle, signing off. Peace.